All right, boys and girls. This homework is pretty easy. The first question is pretty easy. Second question is pretty hard. But let's take a look at this first one, okay? So they give you that angle 3 is 4x plus 29, so I already written that. And angle 2 is x plus 41, okay? What I really like about, there's a lot of, it's very easy, at least for this one, because you can already tell what type of angle it is, right? This is the only angle that creates a Z shape, right? And so for the answer right here, I'm not going to tell you what it is, but you should be able to guess based on the multiple choice what it is, okay? Look at their positioning, right? They're on opposite sides. Look at where they are, right? And obviously, I should highlight that the transversal is right here, okay? So that's that. But what I will tell you, this will be question number 1. Question number 2 is, the setup and obviously what's x equal to, okay? So because it's this angle type, it's going to be actually equal to each other. So you could just simply write x plus 41 is equal to 4x plus 29. And from here, all you do is subtract x from both sides, right? So 41 is equal to 3x plus 29. And you subtract 29 on both sides, just like that. And here we go. You get 3x is equal to 1/30/12, okay? That's it. And we divide by 3. X is equal to 4, okay? And that's the answer to question number 2. But wait, once you get the answer to question number 2, x equals 4, it says determine the measure of angle 1. And so that's angle 1, we don't know, right? But first we need to figure out what the measure of angle 2 is. So you got to figure out what x plus 41 is. And once you have that, guess what? It's a linear pair, right? So you could draw that sunrise, and that's how you could find it. So the question 3 will be finding out the measure of angle 2, and question 4 will be ultimately finding the measure of angle 1. This you can do on your own. This piece right here, I'll walk you through even further because it's slightly harder. I've already labeled everything for you, right? Let's see, DGF is x plus 10, BFE is 2x minus 10, and GAF is 38, right? And it wants you to figure out what AGF is. Now, this is a really hard question, but it really comes down to you being able to recognize all the information that's given and asking yourself, like, why in the world did they give me this and this, right? Because from there, you can really help it out. And before I give you the answer, I want you guys to be able to see, ask yourself, where is the transversal? There's actually 2 transversal, and where's the parallel lines, right? These are the parallel lines, and and this right here is the transversal, okay? So how does recognizing that help me? Well, x plus 10 is here, and 2x minus 10 is here. What do you notice about these? What do you think? What's the relationship called? Well, you guys are going to answer that in question number 5, what you think the relationship is called. If you don't know, then make sure you actually look back at your notes. But for number 6, I'm going to let you know that these things are equal, okay? So now, 2x minus 10 is equal to x plus 10, okay? So from here, I'm subtracting x, so x minus 10 equals 10. And then I'm going to add 10 on both sides. So now I know x is equal to 20. Bam! But, once I know that x is